Registering a patient within an existing MedAccess EMR chart. This video outlines the workflow for staff who are registering patients for flu clinics using MedAccess EMR. This workflow is specific to registering patients who have an existing local MedAccess EMR chart. To register a patient who already has an EMR chart, log into MedAccess EMR and complete the following steps. If you work at more than one location, right-click on the site name in the top left corner of the screen to display a drop-down list. Select the location you wish to view. Select the correct room from the Provider or Resource drop-down list to view the appropriate daysheet. Click on the patient's name or the word Restricted in the Patient column of the daysheet. Please note that if the Client Registry window appears, you will need to click the Accept Selected PCR Data button to continue. Click the word Restricted at the top of the Patient Summary window to generate a consent form window. Select 2 years from the Duration drop-down list. Enter Flu in the Reason box. Then, double-click on Flu to display the reason for the consent. Click the blue arrow to select the appropriate Delegate Consent to Group option. Click the Generate Consent for Group button to continue. Click the Demographic heading to display the patient's demographic information. Click the X in the top right corner to close the patient chart. Identify the patient's name on the daysheet list and click the green arrow in the Appointment Status column to advance the appointment status from booked to checked in. A patient chart has now been created and the patient has been successfully registered in MedAccess EMR for the flu clinic.